हेलो गाइस, प्रणाम आप सभी को। एक बार फिर से आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल क्रांतिवीर मैथमेटिक्स पर। जैसा कि आप सभी स्क्रीन पर देख रहे हैं, इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे CSIR नेट जून 24 का एक क्वेश्चन हमारा रियल एनालिसिस का एक क्वेश्चन है। क्वेश्चन बड़ा इजी क्वेश्चन है, देखने में वैसे भी इजी है, करने में भी देखने में इजी नहीं, करने में भी इजी है। बस आपको थोड़ी सी मेहनत तो लगेगी ही और थोड़ा सा माइंड। ओके, तो देखिए क्वेश्चन क्या है। लेट एस हमारे पास एक सेट गिवन है, x बिलोंग टू आर, वो रियल नंबर जो x ग्रेटर देन 1 से बड़े हैं, स्ट्रिक्टली ग्रेटर देन 1, एंड सेटिस्फाई दिस कंडीशन दैट 1 minus x4 by 1 minus x to the power 3 greater than 22, एंड विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू अबाउट s, कि s हमारे पास जो सेट आएगा वो एप्टी होगा या बाइजेक्शन वहाँ पे एग्जिस्ट करेगा नेचुरल नंबर के साथ, या फिर रियल नंबर के साथ, या फिर नॉन एम्प्टी फाइनाइट सेट के साथ। ओके, तो हम यहाँ पर देखेंगे इस क्वेश्चन को हम कैसे करेंगे। देखिए, सबसे पहले हम इस इक्वेशन को लिख लेंगे, 1 minus x4 greater than 22, 1 minus x to the power 3। इसको हम, दिस implies that 1 minus x4 greater than 22 into में 1 minus x to the power 3। Okay, this implies that x to the power 4 minus 22x3 and plus 21 less than 0. Okay, by simplification we get this, and now we need to find the value of x such which satisfy this condition. Value of x which satisfy this condition. So from here we make the graph of this function. We let fx is equal to x4 minus 20x3 plus 21 less than, okay, we make the graph of this function and find the value of x such that fx less than 0. Okay, so we make the graph of this function. For graph we does not need to make graph exactly. हम ग्राफ बस बना रहे हैं एक आइडिया लगाने के लिए कि हमारे पास कि how many points there are, how many points in real numbers at which fx less than 0, and from the option we can say empty and non-empty. Bijection with n we can see that countable or uncountability, and finite and non-infinite, empty, non-empty. So we can make this idea by graph. We can tick the correct option. Okay, so for graph we need to find the maximize and minimize point and the roots of this function fx. Okay, so one root of this function is 1, f1 is equal to 0. Okay, and if we find f dash x is equal to 0, by this equation we find the maxima and minima of this function. Okay, so from f dash x is equal to 0 we will get, this implies that 4x cube minus 66x square is equal to 0. Okay, from here we will get 2x square, 2x minus 33 is equal to 0. We will get x is equal to 0, 0 and 16.5. Okay, we will get x is equal to 0, 0 and 16.5. So these points are maxima and minima point. Okay, at 0 of x is equal to 21. Now we make the graph. Let this is our 21 and this is our 1. We make graph roughly, not exactly graph. Okay. And let this is our 16.5 point. Okay. So at 0 the value of function is 21. This is maxima. And we will get minima at 16.5 because we have the value x4, and after a certain value of x in negative and positive, we will get the graph in upper. Okay. In this, it has maxima and minima at 2 point on. Okay. So we will get here. I want to say that all over we will get the graph of function like this if the power is even. Okay. अगर हमारे पास पावर इवन है तो हमारा ग्राफ एक डोमेन के बाद अपर ही पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस में ही टेंड्स टू इन्फिनिटी में जाएगा, तो वो पॉजिटिव इन्फिनिटी की तरफ जाएगा. ओके, वो नेगेटिव में नहीं जाएगा. अगर हमारे पास ओड पावर होती है तो हमारा ग्राफ वन साइड पॉजिटिव एंड वन साइड नेगेटिव में जाता है. अगर पॉजिटिव पावर है, एवन पावर है मतलब, तो वो एक पॉइंट के बाद दोनों साइड से पॉजिटिव की तरफ जाएगा. ये हमारे पास होता है. अब आप देखिए यहां से at 1 this is equal to 0. Our graph is like this. And at 16.5, whatever the value, let's suppose this value, our graph is like this. Okay. So we need to find, we can see that we want to find the value of x where the function is negative. Now from here we can see that the interval 1 and something about here, we can say that the point B, that 0, let root of fx greater than 1 is B. Here we will get, so 1 and B, this interval. Now we know that the any open interval on real number, any open interval 1b, we will get 1b, say. So this is non-empty. Non-empty where b is greater than 16.5. obviously 16.5 पे ये इसका मैक्सिमम है, ये कुछ वैल्यू है और ये ग्रेटर देन 0 तो होगा b. 16.5 से तो ग्रेटर देन होगा b. So our function, this interval is non-empty and uncountable. Okay. And infinite, there are infinite number of points. This is not finite set. Okay, so what we will get in the option given, that first option is S is empty. Wrong. No, S is not empty. S is non-empty. There is a bijection between S and N. If there are bijection between S and N, this implies that the set S is countable, but the set is uncountable. So this is also wrong. Third option, we cannot say anything from our information. Okay. Fourth option, there is a bijection between S and a non-empty finite set. No, there are no bijection with finite set, because there are uncountably infinite points in the interval. So this is also wrong, and we have the option 3 correct. Okay, so we can make this idea as I do in this video. Okay, so thanks guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ आया होगा, and I am requesting to you please subscribe my channel Krantivir Mathematics if you have not subscribed for more videos. And if you have special demand of any question from csir net 24 and 23 and IIT JAM other competitive exams in higher mathematics, please write in comment box and with the ID. And again, thanks, bye bye, tata, take care.